$5,000. And in lieu of recommending to the Rhode Island Department of Health that the contractor license be revoked, we would be in a position to order that the contractor retake lead certification within 30 days. However, based on that party not appearing either directly or through counsel, we'd ask that the city, the court, grant our recommendation to the Department of Health to have that license be revoked. And we also further ask the court to impose a restriction on the property owner that no retaliation against any of the affected tenants here be imposed, including eviction.
Okay. What do you say, Mr. Hogan?
I'm in agreement, Your Honor. We'll obviously be seeking retribution against the contractor through likely in Superior Court, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I think your request for me to declare that both defendants are joint and severally liable, I don't know that I can do that, you know, in a vacuum. I think by law they probably are. As a lawyer, I would say they probably are. I don't know whether the court can order that or not in this situation. Can I?
I mean, Your Honor, my impression of it, for whatever it's worth, would be that this is probably something for both defendant parties to handle in the Superior Court.
Yeah, I think so too.
But ultimately, I'd ask the court to just impose a judgment on both parties. And if at some point that is never resolved between the two parties,
Yeah,
maybe
okay,
there's further action here.
Okay. And you're asking for a $5,000 fine for the negligence of the homeowner and or the defendant, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna order the fine because I think the fact that it sounds like negligent work was done either by the contractor or by the homeowner and kids got poisoned, I think that's an appropriate fine, $5,000. What was the second thing you were requesting?
There was no retribution against tenants, I think.
Oh, yeah, definitely, yeah. And I'm gonna order that the landlord or the property owner take absolutely no retribution. I think that'd be illegal, I guess, a criminal act if they did, but to the extent I can order that, I will order that the landlords take no retribution or any sort of action against any of the tenants in this property.
And Your Honor, I would just put on the record that the city will be, with the court's approval, recommending to the Department of Health and the State Board of Contractors to investigate and ultimately make a recommendation to pull the contractor's license.
Yeah, I mean, to the extent the city does that, I would endorse that. I don't think I can order that, but I would certainly endorse that. Okay, anything else?
I believe that was it, Your Honor.
I have nothing to add, Your Honor.
Okay, well, good. Well, I hope this gets worked out. I hope the kids aren't badly hurt, but I think so far what you guys are doing is very appropriate.
And if I could just file with the court for the constable fee to be issued.
Yeah, $50 constable. Okay, all right, I'll